So in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the belt deflection on these diamond drive sleds. And basically, belt deflection is how much the belt will deflect from its straight path, and what will happen is the height of the belt will change on top of the pulley depending on wear and adjustment. So the higher it sits, basically the lower the gearing will be in your sled, so it will have better acceleration, but lower top end. So to do this, we take out our bolt and adjuster, and we'll show you what that adjuster looks like. So this is the secondary clutch bolt here, and this is what holds it on, and this is the deflection adjustment, these spacers here. So if we add a spacer, it is going to move this out, which will move the helix out, which moves the inner sheave towards the outer sheave. So it moves the sheaves together, and that will make your belt sit higher. So if you take a spacer out, this is going to push the helix in, and it's going to push the inner sheave away from the outer sheave, so it's going to push them apart. Your belt's going to sit lower. So to swap these out, you just take this O-ring off and add or remove. I'm going to swap this smallest one here, this thin one. I'm going to put a little bit thicker one on there and see what it looks like. So with the extra spacer on and the bolt back on, this is torqued to 25 foot-pounds. The belt is sitting a little bit higher, and that's pretty much where the belt was sitting when the belt was brand new. This belt is still in really good shape. It's just got a little bit of, tiny bit of wear on it. So this is something to check even throughout the season. It's pretty quick and easy to do. Some of the fancy new Skiboom clutches adjust automatically, but the older ones don't. So for top performance, check your clutch alignment, check your belt deflection a couple times throughout the year. Thanks for watching.